what came in the mail. My package came in from personalplanner.com. It's a little beat up. I hope it doesn't affect my planner, but I am so excited. Okay, I've been waiting for so long. First thing I see is that there's a little card in here. It says style your home and workplace with trendy Scandinavian design. So you can basically win a $150 IKEA gift card. So cool. All right, got that right there. So the second thing, we have my sticker page. I still have my old one since 2016. I think I had 2 other planners, so I have a lot of these stickers still left. But I have this page, you have the emoji ones, these fun ones, you have these rainbow ones, the birthday banners, to-do lists, you got some checklists. Did I say birthday banners already? Well, yeah, the actual ones say happy birthday, and then you have some ones that just have words. So then you get a ruler, and you get a little closure piece, and you get the insert for your planner. So here's my planner, and I'm so excited. And it just says Tommy Marie on it, and 2018-19. So you know they have the little hard plastic clear covers, and I did try to create my own, but it said that the image quality was bad. So I just went ahead and picked one of the images that they had available, and it looks so good. Install my little closure thing here. I probably shouldn't, but just because I want to complete the look for y'all so y'all can see. So this is what it looks like. I think this blends in really nice with the background. It looks so good. On the first page, I have, hello sunshine, you're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. You know, Dr. Seuss, what's up? And then the bottom here, I just have some contact information in case I ever happen to lose my planner. You know, hopefully somebody will send it back to me or email me about it. So on the other pages, I chose a basic design. I really like the squares because normally I have done like a horizontal layout all the time, and then I had the timeline so that I could see it. But I noticed that there was so much space between the times that I had to do stuff. So this time I'm going with no anything. You can get lines and ruled and whatever. You can get half of the box ruled, but I decided to just not rule anything and just have white boxes. I chose a marble pattern up top, and yeah, so this is just what my dates look like. I wanted to start in July, so I'm really pleased with my planner. I'm so happy it's finally here. I have already started a spread that I want to do for like the first week in August, so can't wait for that. The whole thing is really nice. So after all of these pages, I just decided to do the ruled pages here, and I got quite a few pages of ruled pages, and then I just got some pages of maps because I really want to get into traveling, and I thought me having maps, you know, to see where I want to go and like circle places would be cool. I think I got like 10 pages of maps, but yep. And the back page is also a map, and then I got the back cover to be like this succulent type flower, and that is everything that came with my new planner. Really excited, glad to have it. I've been like obsessed over it, and it just arrived today, and I'm so happy. So I'm just gonna put this in here. So many things that I just want to do for my planner. I'm so happy it's finally here, guys. So that is my 2018-2019 planner. Super excited about it, and this time I didn't put a picture of myself on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video, so you guys can look forward to some plan with me's, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, now that you guys have seen my planner, let's go ahead and decorate a week in the future. So I'm decorating the week of August the 6th because that's the week that I will be, that's when RA training starts, so I know I have stuff to do that week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that week, but yep. So let me go ahead and get out these stickers that I made. I actually went on Amazon and I ordered a Xyron Creative Sticker Machine. I got I think the 5-inch machine. So I basically made these stickers on my computer. I have headers and borders, I don't know, what do you call them, headers and footers, and then I have some full boxes that I created, and I got some half boxes, and then I made some deco stickers with the cactuses. So these are some stickers that I made. I got these images from Google, so I'm not gonna really be like showing how I did this because I don't really own these images, but it's mostly just for personal use. That's why I'm not really going into detail. I'm just showing you me doing these. So I'm using my little headers at the top, so you'll see my head just a little bit in this, so I'm so sorry. When I get back to school, my setup will be so much better. Like, I'm literally doing this on the floor so bear with me. So right now I'm just gonna stick down all these stickers. Okay guys, that's the last sticker in this spread. So again, this is a future spread, so I won't be filling it out just yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was relaxing and like calming, because you know I don't want to like fast forward it and make it like really short. I wanted it to kind of be like real time almost. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you guys can be notified when I upload a video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you truly enjoyed it, and also leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you like the slow pace, like kind of slow calm music, or would you like a more fast paced upbeat Plan With Me, or would you just want to hear like, you know, entire voiceovers, or you know, just entire real-time Plan With Me? So let me know what you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.